Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is in part 2 of a series where I'm unboxing orders from the Amazon. So we have a new house constructed this year, and after 4-5 months I am at my home. So I'm just setting up my home. So you can see that lamp, and there was one tea table was also there, which I had created a part 1 of the series. So if you guys want to order the same lamp or same tea table, I can put a link on the description and you can go and check that video also. And if you want to order, you can find the link of that product in that video. So yeah, I have two more orders which I received yesterday, so I'm going to unbox that and let's see what is there in that. So I think this is, any guesses guys, till the time I'm opening this, I'm cutting the parcel, anyone can really I'm able to cut the oh, outer layering. Now one more sellotape is there. Okay, it is quite big actually. I have ordered a rug and the floor mat, soft one from the Amazon like this. It is looking quite good. So I will show you the final look of this when I'll place that tea table which I showed in the part 1. So that tea table will come in about this one, so I will place it there in the hall and then I'll see both the videos and I'll put that in the shorts. So do like, share, subscribe guys. So this is the first one. So guys, I am done with unboxing the first parcel. Now it's the time for the second one. So come, let's unbox with me. So I have this big parcel. So this is a multi-purpose table which I'm going to use, and study table for my home because I have to work for 8 hours and I have to sit and have a back problem and back issues also there. So I will be needing a proper setup for the working. So I think this will help only. Oof. Yeah, this is a table only, multi-purpose table. So it comes with you can see here it comes with wheel also and the up end. So I'll just unbox it. This is a tabletop, and I think we again there's a one manual. So if you guys can see, this table is going to look like this. It will have a wheel also on the tabletop, and this so I will just read the manual step by step and I will install it. Let's see how it looks after that. So this is one thing is there. So it has this wheel also, and then something is there. Then we have screws also, and then we have this one, two, and this three. So I will just remove the plastic, but I will keep it with me because if I have to return it and if something doesn't work, so then I don't like this. I like the material. I like to place a order and get it delivered, but installation thing I don't like it. Finally my table is ready. I was not able to do it by myself, so I took my father help for get it installed because it has too many screws to tight and all that. So yeah, so this is how is it looking. Just let me know in the comment section. If you guys want, I can share you the link as well for this one. So before ending this, I want you guys to please support, like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, thank you so much.